Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can sync your Keychron keyboard to your SignalRGB. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you're using the Windows mode for your Keychron keyboard, and from there you then want to plug it onto your Windows computer. From there, open up the SignalRGB application and then head over to the devices. From there, this should automatically detect your Keychron keyboard and it will show up right here. Now, I think not a lot of Keychron keyboard models out there are supported, so you have to check whether you have the supported versions or not. Once inside the device settings, click on the Open in Layouts button, and from there, you can now sync your keyboard the way you want to. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.